Our food for today's lunch is sayote with pork, and this one adobong puso ng saging, and this one is buwad, and the ginamos, and egg, and this one is udong, and this one sabaw. Diba? Sabaw sa baboy. And this one is inununan. Mga una ta guys. And then have an iced tea. Kauna ko guys. Thank you so much for watching. Babush! Isa ka na ko igi microwave. Okay. It's not yet. One more. 30. Bye.